Good afternoon, class. This is Shay Klussman for Java 1, Week 1, Class 1212, November 21st, 2012. So this week I built a mini Android app that converts gigabytes into many other memory sizes. It's pretty simple. We got the title up top, got the edit text area, and I built two buttons. So the first thing we would do is enter an amount. Let's say we want to see how much 3 gigabytes is. And we hit convert, and it does it in bits, bytes, kilobytes, and so on, all the way down the list. And then I have a clear button to be able to clear it all and do it again. The only problems I really had this week were swapping from Objective-C to this. I found a lot of things that felt harder, but it's mostly because I just don't know it yet. So far though, I think I'm going to like Java. It's fairly straightforward. I just have to figure out how to find what I'm looking for, because I don't know yet. A few things that I needed more clarification on this week were how to get my numbers correct. A few things I'm going to need more clarification on later on is why are the lines of code so much different than iOS? Like I wanted to do a loop in here, and I wanted to count the number of resources that I had in my integer resources file, and I couldn't figure it out. As in iOS, we would put in like resources integer space count, and it would do it. In here, I haven't figured it out yet. So I ended up hard coding a count and having it loop through in my log. Aside from that, everything else is working pretty well. I have a lot to learn, been spending a lot of time reading, and I'm still extremely lost. I'm not even exactly sure what I would do differently this week if I had the chance to do it. I did try to go a little above and beyond. I found a way to change the background color of the view. I found a way to change the background color of the text and the weight of a text. I found how to change the gravity so it could be centered instead of all just left-hand justified, and a few other items along the way. So we're getting there, but there's still a lot to do. I want to thank Mr. Donlin this week for the extra time he spent answering my 4 million questions. This is going to be a great class. Thank you for your time. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next week.